Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we will be discussing the best 60% keyboard of 2022. All the links to the products are given in the description video below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Best overall, Ducky One 2. This is a versatile keyboard with various sizes and different Cherry MX switches, including brown, red, blue, and white. It is also available in multiple colors, including white and RGB backlighting. Every key can be macro programmed, but because there is no dedicated software, all programming must be done directly on the keyboard. This has Cherry MX brown switches, which have excellent typing quality and tactile feedback. Despite the lack of wrist rest, the keyboard is comfortable to type on and does not become tiring over time. It is ideal for use in the office. It's very well made with double-shot PBT keycaps that feel great to the touch. It is fully compatible with Windows, and only a few non-alphanumeric keys are incompatible with the macOS. It is an unsuitable companion for a home theater PC. It's a full-sized wired keyboard with a full-size layout that takes up a lot of room. It also lacks a trackpad, necessitating a separate mouse to move the cursor. Best for gaming, ASUS ROG Falchion. This is a 65% gaming board that can be used wired or wirelessly, thanks to its USB receiver. It has extremely low latency, which used over either connection. It includes a polycarbonate keyboard case cover to protect the keycaps while traveling, and it can be used as a case while using the board. The macros can be assigned to any key on the board or via the Armory Crate software. It has a programmable touch panel on the left side that can be used to control volume or switch apps. It can even be programmed with macros. The MX RGB red, brown, blue, and speed silver switches are available for the board. It's an excellent gaming laptop. This well-made board has very low latency and customizable RGB backlighting. Best wireless, HHKB PD-KB 800B. This has a multi-platform design that supports a chatter-free, capacitive, contactless method ideal for high-speed input, perfect key touch, and long life without fatigue even after extended use, as well as Bluetooth and USB connections, Type-C. Furthermore, it is a keyboard that adheres to all standards, such as rational key layout with 3-step tilt adjustment. The capacitive contactless method achieves deep strokes and superb key touch by switching without contact, without a bottom. Typing gains value from a supple and comfortable touch. Keyboards with ideal key layouts for programmers. Because the minimal keys are reasonably arranged, there is no need to move your hand from the home position, and you can essentially type quickly. This property can be enhanced further by combining shortcuts with the control and function keys. The key layout realized a compact size of A4 half size by cutting off the waist. Because it can be carried like a favorite fountain pen, you can enjoy the HHKB touch and critical layout on the go as my keyboard. Best for typing, Drop Alt. This is a highly customizable mechanical keyboard. It's available in several mechanical switches and is hot swappable, so you can easily change the controls without soldering. This also sells different keycap sets to give a unique aesthetic. It's well made with an aluminum frame, and the RGB lighting gets very bright and looks great. Its latency is excellent, but may not be low enough for some gamers. Every key is macro programmable, and there isn't dedicated software, and getting macros to the QMK software on the website isn't user-friendly. It has okay ergonomics, but doesn't come with a wrist rest, which means some people may feel fatigue after prolonged use. It's a fantastic gaming keyboard, and has various switches so you can get the ones you want. It has full RGB backlighting, individually lit keys, and macro programmable keys. Best ergonomic, KINESIS Gaming. This Freestyle Edge RGB is an excellent gaming keyboard with a distinctive design. It's a full split keyboard, which means it has two halves that you can arrange however you want as long as they're within 20 inches of each other because the connecting cable is 20 inches long. It has excellent ergonomics but does not come with any incline settings. You can purchase a lift kit separately. It has many standard gaming keyboard features, such as macro programmable keys and RGB lighting, and while it has low latency, it is slightly higher than other options. It comes with Cherry MX brown, blue, and red switches, so you can get the ones you want. The Freestyle Edge gaming keyboard is excellent. The keyboard is solid and feels sturdy in every key, including the dedicated macro keys, which can be programmed. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe.